What's up, Kenna fam? And before we begin today, I'd just like to do a little gratuitous self-promotion, if you don't mind. Just head over to Spotify, iTunes, Apple Store, Tidal, and you can find my singles, download them, share them, stream them, whatever. On Spotify, at least I know it's free. If you want to go, if you don't have Spotify, you have Apple, any of that, you can download my stuff. I really appreciate it. And so let's get to the nitty gritty. Let's get to business. What I want to do is take one of my little jars I usually hold my cannabis in. Use some of this aerated water. Alright, so what I'll be using is this product here. It's called Holy Mackerel. It's from Bush Doctor. Just adding it to the water. And basically what this is essentially fish poop. Fish poop. It has ammoniacal nitrogen in it, water insoluble nitrogen, and 2.5% water soluble nitrogen. Available phosphate is 1%, but it's derived from fish protein, and this is also certified for organic use. Like I said, I was switching over to more of the organic products because I just feel like they give you a better result. They give you a better result. They're not as harsh on the plant, and especially if you're eating or smoking, or if you're using your plants to end up in your body some way, I would say the best bet is to go organic, because you don't want to just pump yourself full of chemicals. Just use a very small amount. And this is what I'm going to be doing to get my plant started. In a couple of weeks, I'm going to be planting her in her pot, or maybe directly into the ground. Still trying to figure out what I'm going to do. I might just go ahead and put her in a pot and put her in the grow tent. I'm going to be scaling back the grow tent also. Need to make room for some things. And I have both of the tents up, so I'm going to be scaling that back. I don't know why I'm telling you that. That's none of your business. Whatever. Anyway, I thought I would share. But yeah, I went ahead, popped off the stalk, the top of my pineapple, and the kind of pineapple that you want to get. I mean, you can get a store-bought pineapple. This is an American company who was involved in some very shady dealings in Central America. I'm not going to go into all that.
1951, the United States CIA head had invested in a fruit company in Guatemala. But then the government did something that hurt their profits, so he started a 36-year civil war that ended in genocide.
But anyway, get the ripest pineapple you can find. This one was actually a little green a few days ago when we actually first got it, but since it's hot out here and we have her sitting out in the kitchen area, kind of got some color. It's really nice, really ripened. This is when your pineapple is at its best, so I'm gonna be chopping this up and eating this later on. But I already took the stalk off, And what I did, show you guys. As you can see, what I've done is removed a lot of the outer leaves, rows and rows of leaves, about 2 inches of the leaves that were left after I pulled the stalk off the top. And I just got some water. I'm gonna see how she does. And in the next couple of weeks, I will give you an update. Then maybe a week after that or so, I'll go ahead and plant her to a pot or directly into the ground. Probably a pot. So stay tuned.
2 weeks later.
And what's up? We are back. It's been a couple weeks and here.
It is alive!
You know, this root growth. Yeah, the water's a little cloudy. I put some holy mackerel, basically fish poop, fish protein. Put that inside the water just to give her a little nitrogen, give her a little, I saw the withering on the leaves and stuff. She's not dead or anything, but I can see that the pineapple is struggling. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And what I'll do is put her in probably this. I'm gonna get me a Home Depot bucket. Just get like a big Home Depot bucket, fill it with the soil. You know, already drill some holes in the bottom so that it can. I'll do a video. I'll just do a video. Why am I telling you? I'll just do a video. And I'll just show you the whole process. But I'm gonna put her in a nice 5-gallon bucket and see how well she thrives. I think I'm looking forward to this one. This one's gonna be an interesting one. I'm gonna see how she do. So I appreciate you guys. If you like the content, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, share. Let's blow this thing up. One of the videos is probably at like 705 views now, which is crazy to me because I really haven't been promoting. Like, I'll try to promote a little on Facebook or on Instagram, but I'm not really that great at it. So if you guys can help me out by sharing videos, you know what I'm saying, I really appreciate that. For those of you who are content creators who might want to have instrumentals, music in your background while you do your videos or whatever, if you need help editing, anything like that, hit me up. I got you. And matter of fact, I'm going to leave a link. I'm going to leave a link to my email for those of you who are interested. Just hit me up in my email, and yeah, let's make some things happen. I appreciate you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. And as always, keep growing.